Hi, this is Josh with Bedbug Supply, here to go over the new Tri-Flo heat treatment system. Bedbug heat treatments have always been effective when done properly, but they are risky and cost prohibitive for many users. With the prospect of hauling around hundreds of pounds of gear and dealing with diesel or kerosene fuel, in addition to the added noise and chemical exposure, most professionals have opted instead to use slower alternative treatment methods that require multiple follow-ups. The Tri-Flo heat treatment kits are here to change that. These are simple, effective, and safe alternatives to the gas motor-powered heaters on the field today. There's one plug per heater, and you're in business. No generators, no fuel, and no extra power equipment. For the first time, hotel managers, property managers, and pest control operators have access to a truly safe and cost-effective heat treatment solution. But can these simplified packages really get the job done? Let's find out. Heat treatments with electric heaters are significantly safer than other heat treatment methods, such as kerosene or propane. Those may use more powerful heaters, but they carry a real risk to excessive carbon monoxide exposure, in addition to a risk of combustion or accidental fires. Tri-Flo's heaters are all electric and ETL certified to ensure safe operation. Before you purchase a Tri-Flo treatment kit, you'll need to determine which package is right for your needs. There are two starter packages available for rooms that are 325 square feet or smaller. The 110 starter includes three 1800-watt heaters that use 20-amp plugs. These heaters are simple to hook up. Just find three 110-volt, 20-amp outlets that are each on their own breaker to plug each heater into. The 220 starter has one much more powerful 5,000-watt heater. With the 220 kit, you only have one heater that needs a plug, but it needs a 220-volt, 30-amp outlet. This outlet is commonly used for large in-room heaters and AC units. If you don't have access to that type of socket, the 110 starter would be a suitable alternative. The three 110-volt heaters can match the 220-volt heater without the need for the 220-volt plug. The Tri-Flo 500 combo combines a 5,000-watt heater with two of the 1,800-watt heaters. This is a much more potent solution intended for larger spaces. However, the combo will require access to both 110-volt 20-amp and 220-volt 30-amp power sources, with each socket on independent circuits. Tri-Flo's packages are a lot easier to use from the start than the heating gear that pest pros are used to. Electric heat setups used to require at least a 3-phase 20-kilowatt diesel generator. These weigh almost 800 pounds and need to be towed to the job site. In addition to the fuel, the hookups, and the heaters and fans themselves, complete setups used to start at over $40,000. Compared to that headache, the 3 to 6 piece Tri-Flo rigs are a huge relief when it comes to cost and setup. The included circulation fans are easy to use and provide side-mounted 110-volt 10-amp outlets so that they can be daisy-chained to each other. This cuts down on the total number of 110-volt outlets that your kit needs. Rather than needing 3 separate sockets for your fans, you can cut it down to just one if you position the fans accordingly. Before hooking up the heaters and beginning your treatment, there are a couple of steps you'll need to take care of first. Begin by inspecting the room, if you haven't already, to gauge the severity of the infestation. Remove the sheets on the side of each bed and inspect along the seams of the mattress for black dots, brownish transparent bedbug shells, or actual bedbugs. Check the sheets for small blood stains, which can be indicative of bedbug activity. Reduce clutter in the room to reduce hiding places and speed up the heating process. Things like clothes, books, drawer contents, and small electronics should be sealed in garbage bags and stored away from the room. Remove any couch seat cushions and lean the mattress and box spring upright against the wall. Open any dresser drawers and closet doors to ensure adequate heat up inside and out. Once you're ready to start your treatment, preheat the room by setting the thermostat to the highest setting available, ideally 90 degrees or more. Place the heater units around the bed and other key treatment areas so they heat up first. Turn the heaters on the high setting and monitor the room's temperature until it hits roughly 106 degrees. The kits include a handheld laser thermometer to help with this. Once the room temperature has reached about 106 degrees, place the included fans in the room to provide heat circulation. Point the fans to the most heavily infested areas and turn them on the high setting. This will accelerate the convection effect, allowing the overall temperature to rise over the lethal 121 degrees we're shooting for. Monitor the room's temperature until it hits around 130 degrees for 2 to 4 hours, depending on the level of infestation. This temperature will be uncomfortable to stay present in, so check in every 30 minutes or so with the included laser thermometer. After the heat treatment is finished, you'll want to follow up with a residual spray application. Look for sprays labeled for the surfaces in the room, such as Crossfire or JT Kills Bedbugs Plus. Then apply bedbug-proof mattress and box spring covers and climb up insect interceptors if the bed didn't have those already. So that's the new Tri-Flo bedbug heat treatment system. It's available now at bedbugsupply.com. If you have any questions about the heaters or need help choosing the right package for your needs, Open up a live chat or give us a call toll-free at 866-238-9868. Again, this is Josh at bedbugsupply.com.